Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change profile photo on Meetup. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Meetup application. Tap on profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on change profile photo. Tap on pick photo on second option. Select any picture that you want. And that is how you can easily change profile photo on Meetup. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment below your feedback and questions. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.